Guys, Why the Fire here today with another video, and today I'm playing Pokemon Fighters EX as usual. The reason why I've not been uploading so much is because I'm spending more time playing Pokemon Fighters EX than on Tunator and my other favorite games, I guess. And on YouTube. I'm spending more time on this game than on YouTube and Tunator. Today, my Lopunny became shiny after so many times killing the same Kyurem. And then in the end, it killed it. I don't know what that is. Me and this Keldeo thought it was his water pulse, but it wasn't. It's just a random ball. I don't know what that is. Probably a portal to get the Deoxys or something. Anyways, I'm trying to get my Wurmple level 30 so I can get my Doduo to level 30 to get Ralts, and I got some other legends as well. Now I have 3 Pokemon that are max level. I don't know what I'm doing. Camelo experience, I'm gonna be up there in just a flash. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for Genesect or even. I got Jirachi earlier, so there's no point to be. Earlier, Giratina spawned, and I got so furious because I kept dying on the same part in the Giratina obby. I watched a video how to get Giratina because I was literally so confused, and it said you need to have Ralts or Natu. This game is evil. Yeah, I'm not gonna click that. Anyways, I'm playing this game as usual all the time because I don't care. I'm gonna wait till I get to level 30. I'm gonna be spawn camping Genesect spawn. This is gonna be fun. And I got upset too. The Pokemon that spawn here are the Pokemon I usually have, like the terrible Pokemon I have. At least the Pokemon that was Jirachi was actually level 60 when I got it, and the first ever legend was Rayquaza. Oh, it's so laggy now. It's still not letting me play smoothly. The first ever legend was Rayquaza. It is Deoxys, and Rayquaza decided to stop fighting and watch me get it. I was my first. No, I wasn't my first. I was one of my slowest Pokemon, and I still got it. I was racing with Lopunny fell. And so these other guys. I make so many videos on Pokemon Fighters yet because it's my favorite game. I am just spawn camping this area. Anyways. I don't not end camping. Okay, one minute. Literally 1 minute. Alright, I'm back. 5 more levels that I had to play as Doduo. One of the worst Pokemon I have. Ever since I got Rayquaza after that day, my first thing was to make it get to level 100. And in the amount of a few hours, it got to level 100. That's how much time I spent on this game that day. Anyway, I'm trying to get this to level 30. Then I'm never gonna play this Pokemon again. Where is Genesect? When is Genesect going to spawn? The evil daytime. No one likes this song. No joking, there's actually people that actually like this song. Congratulations to you, your Rayquaza shiny. Everyone's looking at Can I train on you? People need to levels and I'm not playing it. I'm never gonna play this again. And I'll show you the recent legends I got in just a few videos. And when it gets to the time, I can finally become level 30. Yes! 2 more levels! I am so ready! Let's Genesect spawn already! Woo! Woo! I'm so lucky! I have Moltres. My Moltres is level 32. I promised myself I'd never play it again, because it was so slow. Probably as slow as 30 after 20. I forgot my name. Come on, just be level freaking, I'm so weak. Oh, it's getting so laggy. Just as I started recording this video, it got super laggy. Yes, 1 more level. I'm spawn camping the Genesect spawn. As soon as I become level 30 or get Genesect, I will reset. Or even do both at the same time. Then I'll be Mega Walkman. Oh, it's getting so laggy already. I got the beverages. Man, sorry, I'm 69 HP, health points, whatever you call them. Oh my god, We all had to say hi to Phoenix and Bean. Yes, this is the nice thing. Oh, shut up already. Yes! I'm finally level 30. So lucky. Finally, I'm not Wurmple! This Pokemon was so slow, it gave me lag! Yes, I'm having lag again. Oh my god. How do I get the duo? Explore the forest. So I got an Eevee, Articuno, and the Mew. Oh, you can actually get them. Kyogre, Jirachi, and Dialga Yuxian and Mesper. I don't even know if I recorded it. I don't watch my videos, so Zekrom, Thunderous, Tornadus, Mondos, and Kyurem. Gotta place this. Get up! No! I was so close, but the lag just killed it. Ugh. Anyways, I can get it another time. They're probably the worst Pokemon I've ever played with, anyways. Let's go down, 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 down. Hoopa. I'm gonna play What do I play today? Okay, I'm going to show you the videos of how I got it. Alright, be right back. So I think around here I got you. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I did. Just around here I got Mew. So that was Mew. So around this part as well I got Jirachi. And yeah, I got Jirachi in this point when I was getting attacked by Kyurem, because Kyurem tried to protect the Jirachi. There you go. It attacked me. Then I decided to kill it, because it was being evil to me. Watch me at my work. I'm sorry for this terrible quality, but I just killed the guy because he... Yeah. There. I don't know what I'm doing, but I just skipped through that I could be bothered. I just skipped through that. Well, I'm probably gonna end the video right here, because, yeah, you did not see anything on that last part. You definitely didn't. Anyways, don't know. Goodbye, and I hope you like this video. Bye!